Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Ashanti. Now, watch the video and draw your own opinion from this. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as always, because we're always giving you the biggest and the greatest of social media. Thank you.
I cannot manage after anything or anything. You understand? So when you come in and you say you respect me as a real G, I don't care.
Wonder what kind of relationship some man or woman have with them picking them. Like really what kind of relationship when I have with them youth them. Good night, good night.
Get up early, man, I got the Bronx and come back. So, me dey over past up to so Walgreens around there. So me just as me going at the Walgreens, but me not call the lady me and me hear the lady talk about Dan, that same woman ya, to somebody on her phone. I said that woman ya make too much trouble. I said the lady I say no.
So
because this lady say she cut up over what happened to the girls so bad, you know, them feel so bad. She said she feel it so much, and this woman just depend the internet, but you understand, and a rant and a guan. What happened to her? Why she not just chill, regardless what happened to the lady? She not happy at guan, so like she rejoice. That's not nothing for you rejoice over. Put fun and joke aside still. I told somebody me that rejoice over if they take them out, you know.
Chacha.
To somebody, but me not call their name.
Chacha.
But this lady, you know, Dan, man, Dan need to chill, man. Yeah, Dan need to chill. So me hear the lady pan and before the lady call mention her name, you know, me know how the dance she talk. And the lady say, no, you see she when she used to go to a party, but you mention fear, if you keep a party, if you mention fear and you roll with her, your party sell her. But she look like she stop go party and them look weird now. You hear what the lady said to me say? The lady said to me, say, cause when she come off her phone, you know, me said to her, that true man, we cut about, you know, where we never like where the girl did do to Tanny.
Yeah.
You understand? And the girl and the lady say, you know, like Jamaican, you not even like work with Jamaican. because of that one they are the old bush tiger, yeah. The old tiger cat when he died. That's why she said that. She terrible, man. She needs to chill, man, because God I go stop her. Well, you see, the lady when make a comments that me say something and she say she never tag me in her comments. Me don't care if you did want to tag me in your comments, yes or no, because your comments don't really make no sense.
I wish lady
you
that.
understand? May God be the judge. Me don't know what answer that she need. Me don't remember right now. Me say what me say, I me not take it back. You know, make God judge, be the judge of everyone. You know, in no position whether she went baptized and got party or fear business that. You understand? No, when she tried to say, oh, you know, she said, you said something I wasn't here because we leave the phone and go in the kitchen and come back. Something like that says you mentioned something about heaven regarding to Tani. So she never, it looked like she never she get offended over that. Read our comments, man. You're supposed to see it.
Okay.
Understand? Okay. You're not busy with her. You're not busy for your life where she don't live or whatever. You're busy about for your life where you will live. I'm busy about when you dead, where you will go. Like the comments where she write like. Oh, she
Alright, make a call me back. Maga take a call from one of them people. Yeah. Alright? Call you right, man.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna call you back. Hello? What I going, my friend? Say she what? Yeah, that on the same live where they there on a couple hours after you. But they're on live now, you want to talk? I have 345 people, you want to talk to them? Hello? Phone get quiet. Hold on. Hold on, let me see if I can go in that mix. Hold on. Oh, what going, babes? Cha-cha. Cha-cha. I'm going to go wait for Chicago back. Okay, Chrissy. Shall I answer? Shall I message the call me? Let me see. Hold on then. Since I make phone call, I'm going to just make 2 more phone call and done. Alright, I'm going to just make 2 more phone call and done. Hold on. England, and they're in bed already at England. Cha-cha. I know when that work. Maxine Foster, big up yourself. I think none of them phone are ring for that person.